Alright, we're going to demonstrate how to install a wall mount garden hose reel onto a masonry surface. This is a brick surface, and the process is the same whether it's a parallel or a perpendicular configuration. The first thing you want to do is mount it about belt high. That's about the right operating height. And then if you want, this is for a parallel configuration, you can get a level to make sure you get it level, or you can follow the mortar lines. I don't always trust the mortar lines, so I usually use a level. With a parallel configuration, it doesn't matter. You can actually mount it vertically if you want. But with a perpendicular configuration, obviously you want to make sure it's very level. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and throw our parallel. We're going to mount a parallel wall plate in this situation. And the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a level, and then mark your holes so you can drill your pilot holes for your masonry surface. Okay. Now, you want to make sure the arm is installed before you attach it to the wall, because the access holes are on the back side. So it'll be hard to get those once you get it mounted on here. So now that we got our holes marked, next thing we want to do is go ahead and drill 5/16 masonry drill bit. The anchor sleeves are 1 3/4 inches, so you're going to want to drill these holes 1.5 inches deep. What I've done is I've actually taken some masking tape and marked it at an 1.5 inch mark, so I know how deep to go. And so basically, let's go ahead and drill our 4 holes. I'm actually just going to gently push these in here. I'm not going to tighten them down yet. Just kind of hold it up there so I can just drill the bottom 2 holes right through there. That way I know I got it lined up properly. Go ahead and push your anchors in. They might just go in easily, or you might have to tap them in. And then what you want to do is take a 7/16 socket wrench and just tighten them down. I prefer using this so I can feel it tighten instead of using a cordless drill. And just start tightening that anchor. And what that's doing is pulling that cone in and spreading that sleeve out and tightening up, getting you a good solid surface to mount your reel to. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Start with the top one. Okay, and now you're ready to install your hose reel and finish the assembly of the product.